Hello guys, welcome back to your channel. I love 164, and a car like this is the reason why I love 164. This is your BMW M4 2023 Super GT series car. So this was released back, I don't know which year, but this is something extraordinary, and this is going to be second version of BMW that I'm going to add in my collection. So let's cut this open and have a closer look on the car. This one I'm going to put on the turntable, definitely, because I also want to review this thing well. Just be careful while cutting these because they are sharp. Not just the knife but the plastic piece also. So I've cut this open, but yeah, better now. Okay, let's put this on the side. I'll show you the box first, and then I'll show you the car. So here's your box. You can see the car, how cool it looks even on the box. This is your Super GT 2023 series logo. Here's your BMW logo. Very cool hologram actually. And there's all this blah blah on the bottom. Some of the details here. Let's put this here. And now let's have a look on the car. I'll show the bottom first. See those aerodynamics. Those aerodynamics look superb. Because it's a Super GT series, so it is made in that way that the drag should be minimum. And now let's put this on the turntable and have a closer look on the car. So I really like the yellow headlights. First thing first, of course. The grille looks awesome on this M4. The BMW logo on the top. All the liveries on the side. The gold chromed wheels looks amazing. It has huge spoiler, yet looks cool. It's not something that looks off and doesn't look nice. The paint theme is very cool actually. The white, blue, light blue, black, red all looks very interesting, blended well. And of course the rear looks cool with the tail lights and everything. You can see on the wheels we have Michelin logo actually. So Minicheri actually did not miss a single detail on this car, and that is why it is such a legendary and so expensive to get. This is just piece of art that a collector can add in its collection. So that was your unboxing for today, and I'm very happy that I bought this, even though it was very expensive to add in the collection now because it was from the previous releases, and now it's very tough to get the car like this. So I got this from secondary market, and now I'm happy. So if you are happy seeing this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you in the next one. Bye bye.